Hello everyone. Thank you for clicking on this really wonderful piece of Zia pottery that I've just acquired. So by form, this is a water jar. It has an indentation on the bottom. This always makes my wife nervous, but so it could be held on a water carrying person's head, and it's child size, so smaller than usual ollas. From Zia Pueblo, dates to I think the 1880s. As you can see from the photographs and from the close-ups on the video, this piece is well used. It's had a lot of handling and a lot of Pueblo or what we call ethnographic home use. But other than a few little minor and very old and well patinated and smoothed over rim chips, is in remarkable condition, and all the surface wear is a good thing. It just adds to the warmth from how many years, generations this piece served its family and gave it pleasure. The fact that it's in such good condition, I think, is an indication of the fact that it was well loved and well cared for by children and adults in Pueblo homes and then among tourists in the years to come. The decoration is a series of rather primitive, warm, funky, lovely birds. Then there's plant forms with flowers and perhaps berries, all pretty typical of Zia, but masterfully using the surface of the pot. Almost every square inch has some element of design, but somehow still doesn't seem crowded. If I'm giving you a sense that I love this jar, I love this jar. Great jar. Thanks for looking.